We have something going on, guys, for Mara and Riot especially. You know why? Because we've got a buyer just came in for this dip. Look at this. We have a wick here exactly over the 17 for Mara, and the same happened for Riot. A nice wick happened after a major selling pressure happened yesterday and Wednesday. Yes, yesterday we got a bit of selling pressure, and now, Thursday, we have a buying pressure. Coinbase, the same. So, what's going on, guys? Because I got many questions of you guys. What's gonna happen tomorrow? Because after this reversal, a nice reversal, some people got a little hope for Mar because we jumped almost 40%. After we have a pullback, everybody paranoid, guys. I got many questions on Discord like, oh man, Jesus, what's going on? I told the man, chill out. Chill out. Because this is just a correction. If we go to crypto, we see that Bitcoin had a bit of drop. This is the reason that some traders or investors who holding those crypto stocks started to sell because they got panicked. And guess what? How much we pulled back for Bitcoin? This was just in Wednesday, guys, 4%, and it happened before the market opened for the U.S. market open. Look at that. Price pulled back just on Wednesday in pre-market. Boom, and the price now reversing, and that's why we reverse the same for Mara and the other stocks. So guys, we have to discuss what we should expect for Mara, Coinbase, and Riot before the halving, because we have a few days left for this drastic change, or the most imminent or turning point for crypto world. I'm not talking about just crypto stocks. I'm talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, whatever you call them, like dirt coin, whatever. All those coin will have drastic change in price action after we gonna have the halving for Bitcoin, and we're gonna confirm where the price will go, because right now we are between the support and resistance for Bitcoin, exactly around the 60,000 and the 74,000. So this range is where the buyers and sellers fighting for the direction for this year, either bullish or bearish. So now, guys, don't forget to hit the like button, because we always go live each day on our Hunter channel here to discuss the market, to trade the market every day. We do day trade, we do swing trade. So share our live video, and of course, join us in our live streaming tomorrow, 30 minutes before the market open. And before that, if you wake up early, if you're still sleeping, because if you live in Europe, it's okay. The pre-market here is just 10 a.m. If you live in US, you have to wake up around the 4 a.m. Or if you live in LA, oh man, you have to wake up 1 a.m. in the morning. So if you live in Europe, you have, if you live in US, you have to wake up early in order to trade early with us. Why? Because here we do always live streaming early on Discord and Patreon, and after that, always updates for day trade and swing trade. Last day trade that we did for swing trade is ALGN. We took almost 3% on this one on the market because it pulled back a bit. And it was good 3% because just swing trade, safe stocks, blue chip company, where we trade the market for it. So guys, the link in the comment section below if you want to have access to those early alert and live alert during the market open. So now, what we should expect. Let's go to Mara and Riot because they have the same reaction. Both of them have a nice jump. For Riot, we have 50% jump from our bottom that discussed before. For Mara, we jumped 40%. So Riot is the top gainer. As we discussed before, we said Riot is undervalued, right? Because it jumped almost 70% since the end of February. And it was a good call to enter around this bottom, the 14. As we said, this is it, the turning point for a reversal. We did the nice reversal here, 50%, guys. Come on, 50% in a few days. Let me just check how much this reversal was in just 1 week. 50% exactly. So this is not a glitch. This is real. 50% in 1 week. So we expect another jump of 30%, at least around the 24, guys, after we break the 2029 for Mara. For Riot, we have the 1311. Once we break it, we're gonna have 25 and even 50% around first 1525, 1825. So we got a major pump. Once, of course, this is depends on Bitcoin, because you see what's happened. Bitcoin went down just 4%. Both of them went down almost the triple the price that Bitcoin went down onto. 4% for Riot, 12%. So we have a drastic dump down for Riot and other crypto stocks. If Bitcoin, guys, pumped below the 60,000 next time. So be on the lookout for the end of this month. And of course, by the next month, if Bitcoin held over the 60 and broke over the 74, guys, oh brother, this is will be confirmation for formal buying for all those stocks. Remember, this is not a financial advice. Always do your due diligence before you put your money on the line. Remember, guys, remember to always do your due diligence. And of course, remember to always tune in to our live streaming in order to discuss those reaction and those targets for all crypto stocks live every day, guys. We're not just doing videos, but we always trade live. So if you want to learn how to trade, is the best way I can give you guys is to come with us, trade with us live to see the market, how to react, how to enter, how to exit. This is the best way by far to learn about the market. And of course, it's free on YouTube. You can join us at any time. And of course, you have to wake up early, as we said, if you live in the United States. If you live in Europe, this is the Goldilocks, guys. But of course, here in Europe, it will be perfect because the market here open around 3:30 p.m. or in pre-market is around 10 a.m. So it's perfect. They wake up around the 9, 8. The market is still closed, so I could prepare for before the market open. However, right now we have, as we said, right, the support that we should hold right now is the 950. For Mara, we have the 17. For Coinbase, we have the 193. So Coinbase is relatively kind of less volatile than the other, but we're gonna have a drastic price change as well for it once we break the 286, everybody. Remember to join us tomorrow on our live streaming. Thank you for watching and see you by tomorrow.